I told you that you can actually burn your belly fat 2 times faster with just one simple move that you have to do in a sitting position and definitely see great results with one yogic exercise which is millions of years old and which has proven scientific benefits. Belly fat and your digestive system is directly linked. If you have a great digestive system, you're sure to have a flat belly, and that's exactly what this very move does. It's a yoga asana which helps you lose your belly fat. It invigorates this very area, it activates this area to increase your digestive metabolism to help you burn fat faster. This one simple move that I'm going to teach you today is actually called Paschimottan Asana in Sanskrit and Hindi. This is a tried and tested, millions of years, ages ago, developed by the very yogis of India who decided to give the gift of yoga to mankind. And you, of course, why shouldn't you benefit from it? If many people who have done so and seen great results, wouldn't you also want a flat belly? So if it's tried, tested, gives you 100% guaranteed results, and also in the comfort of your own home, it's completely beginner friendly, then let's get to it. Thank you so much for all the love that's pouring in, for all the work and all the hard work that I do. My daily toil and my daily work that I do for all of you has finally achieved its success, and I finally feel that I have made a million worth YouTube family. Now all I want is a couple of thousand likes for this very video. Don't forget to like this video before we begin. So now before we begin, we have to sit in this position, but this is not the position you have to do the exercise in. I know many of you feel it's such a problem to sit with your legs folded. That's fine. You can sit like this, you can sit like this, whatever makes you comfortable. This is what makes me comfortable. That's why I'm sitting like this. So the name of the asana, the simple move that I'm going to teach you today is Paschimottan Asana. Paschim literally translates to west, Uttan translates to stretch, and asana is a pose or a posture in which you're going to perform this very move. So when you talk about it, it's actually stretching your body, your spine, your lower back and your hamstring, the entire area, to put pressure on your abdominal organs so your digestive system moves faster. You can feel the agni or the fire which is going to burn within. So this fire that is going to burn within, which actually will fume up your digestive system and your metabolism to burn more calories and more fat cells. Technically, that's the scientific logic behind this. And that's how you're going to lose a lot of fat around this area and end up also increasing your metabolism, because of which you will end up burning more calories throughout. Now this, after you've understood, let's move and do this exercise. For the first part, like I mentioned, is completely beginner friendly. I'm going to show you how to do it. For this, you have to sit in this position. Your spine should be straight. You shouldn't be bending backwards or forwards, or just feel a little uncomfortable. You should try and actually stretch your spine straight like this and keep your leg like this so it creates a nice L shape. So now let's begin. Once you're seated in this position, you have to take your hands up, stretch your spine, come forward. It's okay if you can't bend all the way forward and touch your forehead here. This is a beginner level. You just have to do this much, and this is all you need to do. Just hold it here, exhale completely, and now again you're going to come up, inhale, exhale, try to hold it to the count of 5 so you can actually feel the burn. Now one more time. Once more. This is the 4th round. Very nice. So you could actually feel a stretch all along this leg, your abdomen, and your back stretching forward. So this is the beginner level. You're not supposed to touch your forehead to the knee. Let's do the other side. Now it's time to take position with this leg and let's make an L shape this way. This should be pointing straight. You shouldn't be bending backwards or forwards. This should be just straight, your torso. Your core should be tight. And your toe will be facing inwards, not like this. Wasn't that so easy, so doable and so effective? Now let me show you with both the legs. So Paschimottanasana literally means stretching your body all the way forward. This is so relaxing, stress relieving, anxiety relieving. If you have all these issues and you have high cortisol levels in your body, this is the exercise to do to lose weight because it's very calming and very relaxing. So again now with both the legs, same procedure, let's come forward and exhale. But you have to stretch your spine from here till here. The longer you hold it, the more benefit you're going to reap of it. And how intelligent yoga is, it's actually working on your internal abdominal organs, and that's what actually matters. Now we're back to position 1, which is the right leg. Position like this. This has to be a straight line. Please fix it if you think you're swaying to either one side, and you have to make an L like this. Now we're doing the advanced level. We'll try and touch our forehead to our knee. That's really important because that's when the internal organs will all be pressed and they will start working properly, and that's exactly what we want. There's so many people who eat so little food and yet put on weight because they have a bad metabolism, and there's so many people who eat so much food and don't put on weight because they have a great metabolism. So this is what we're working on, the internal organs inside the abdominal area. Let's do it. And the longer you can hold it, the more benefit you're going to reap. But please be comfortable. There's no pressure, there's no force, because I want you to do this every single day. That's how you're going to see results. You have to be consistent and persistent. I'm going to do 3 with you, but you have to do as many reps as you can do easily. Minimum at least 10. Excellent. Now let's switch sides. There we go. A perfect L. That's what you need. Well done. I'm so proud of all of you. Now let's do it with both the legs together. Now you might be wondering what's causing the burn within you and what's causing that fire to burn so that it actually triggers your metabolism to the extent that it starts burning the calories. That's actually you holding your breath when you go down. So when you inhale with your hands up and you go down, you have to exhale and you have to just pause over there for a bit, hold your breath, and that's when the magic happens. So if you can maintain that for 5 seconds, 10 seconds, please do so. That's how you're going to see maximum magic happen. So while we're doing the last bit, you have to actually try and touch your toes and hold it like this. Okay, that's really important. So let's do it together and let's try and touch our forehead to the knee. Inhale, exhale. Well done. You actually even have to bend your elbows when you go all the way down. If you keep it straight and try to touch your forehead, it won't happen. You have to bend your elbows. Make that space. Now I've taught you the entire bit. All I want from you is to do it every single day so you can reap the maximum benefits. I sincerely hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you wish to join a paid weight loss program, please, you can click on the link given below in the description and you can join my weight loss program where food will be given to you according to your preference, your likes, your dislikes, and exercises on a daily basis according to your body type, according to your flexibility of time, whether you're working, you're not. You need certain exercises to be done every single day. So the exercises I teach you are so easy and so doable. What more do you want? I'm sure you have definitely watched today's video properly and you will be following it every single day. If you have anything to ask, any query, do let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video, share it with all the people that you know, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon again next week. Until then, take care.